How about an AI which helps your business from writing ads and marketing to blogs and emails within seconds? Meet Jasper AI. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and if at any point you would like to check it out, then you can do so from the description below. Starting with what Jasper is. Jasper AI is a business assistant AI tool which creates original content plagiarism free and also optimized for SEO. With Jasper, you can create social media posts, blog posts, a newsletter, captions, emails, etc. That too with tone selection. Just make a Jasper account using your email and let's get started. But before that, let's talk about some of its features. Jasper has more than 50 templates to choose from, like blog posts, Facebook or Google ads, product descriptions for various platforms, YouTube video description, etc. Like for ads, select ad type, for example Facebook or Google, and you just need to provide a company name, small description of the product, then choose the tone of your voice and number of outputs, and see you have a ready-made ad. Their boss mode allows you to access your documents as outlines to write bulk emails. Same with blogs, select blog post outline, provide title, brief description and tone of voice, and give a voice command. It is that easy. They also have a partnership with Surf SEO to make your blogs rank higher in Google. For ease of business, your team can directly use their own AI engine with the integration of Jasper API. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The content it generates is plagiarism free, which makes it more attractive to businesses. It also has Grammarly included, so you need not to worry about spelling mistakes. Having a large number of templates is also an advantage, plus their collaboration with Surf SEO. Jasper AI provides an integrated tool for SEO ranking. However, the major disadvantage of Jasper is their pricing. It is more expensive than its competitors. Even after that, you have to buy Surf SEO additionally, which doesn't seem like a good value proposition. Jasper AI has possibly every content creation feature that a business would need, but you have to be very considerate of the pricing they charge and if it's worth investing in according to your business. Talking about the price, it is available as 7-day free trial, then it costs $49 for creator plan, then $125 for teams, and you can save 20% if billed annually. But that's it for today. Again, if you would like to check it out, then you can do so from the description below, and hope you guys found this video helpful. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe, bye bye.